I'm going to show you how to convert any video file into an MP4. Here I have a video on my desktop. It's an MKV file, and I want to convert it to MP4. This method works for any video format. First, open your web browser. I'll use Google Chrome, but any browser works. Go to a search engine and look up VLC Media Player. Make sure to download it from the official site, videoland.org. Click the download button and wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, close your browser and open the installer from your Downloads folder. Run it and follow the standard installation steps. After it's installed, open VLC. Search for it on your computer if needed. With VLC open, click Media in the top left, then choose Convert/Save. Click Add, select the video you want to convert. Mine is on the desktop, and hit Open. Now click Convert/Save at the bottom. Make sure Convert is selected, then choose a profile. I use the first option, H.264 plus MP3, MP4. That will output an MP4 file. I also like to customize the profile slightly. Click the wrench icon to edit it. Go to Audio Codec and select Keep Original Audio Track. Click Save. Before starting the conversion, choose where the new file will be saved. Click Browse. Pick your destination. I'll save mine to the desktop. Give the file a name like Finished and make sure it ends with .mp4. Click Save. Now press Start. You'll see the progress bar move as it converts. Longer videos will take more time. And that's it. Here's the new file. As you can see, one is the original MKV and the new one is an MP4, both the same length. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.